Few months ago, Facebook said that they're going to be monetizing Nigerians in June 2024, and yesterday was 1st June, and everybody have been messaging me, and everybody has been wondering if Facebook disappointed us, right? If you want to find out, watch this video from beginning to the end.
Join Growbita family today. Grow your social media platforms and make money online.
You're welcome to Grow Better, and this channel will teach people how to build, grow their social media platform, and also how to make money online. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Azimilian, and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime I post an amazing video like this one you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. Like a few months ago, the news was flying all over the internet that Facebook is going to be monetizing Nigeria in June 2024, and we all were excited, because this is what we have been waiting for. So yesterday was 1st June, and everybody has been refreshing their page, going to monetization to refresh to see if there is any changes. Even me, I went to Facebook website to even check out if there is new update, and also I went to my monetization to check if there is a new feature for us. Because according to the statement that they released, they say that they're going to be creating a feature for Nigerian content creators to be able to be making money from their content. And after refreshing and refreshing and refreshing yesterday, there was nothing found. So a lot of people were worried, and they were asking if Facebook disappointed us, right? The truth is that Facebook, they say they're going to be creating a feature for Nigerian content creators to be able to monetize their content, but they didn't give us a date, like if this is going to be on 1st June or 2nd June or 3rd June, right? So, and this month is still fresh, yeah. So we still have a lot of time for us to actually wait and see if there is something they want to do for us, right? So I don't think we should actually lose focus, because the June just started, and they might actually do this for us at any time. So that same yesterday, there was some screenshots going around Facebook. Some people were saying Nigeria is now eligible for Facebook monetization. So many people sent me that screenshot on WhatsApp. Like, I was like, just check this out. This one said, breaking, Facebook finally monetized Nigeria. They also sent me this one as well. This one said, the payments for Facebook monetization, which begins in June, is as follows. 1 million followers and above, 500,000 naira. 500k followers and above, 300,000 naira. 100k followers and above, 200,000 naira. 50k followers and above, 150,000 naira. Less than 10k followers, 100,000 naira. And also press highlight in the comment section of this post. If it shows blue, you are at advantage of receiving payment. Kindly follow me, and I will follow you to let this blue app be our ministry. Engage in my post while I do the same to you. So after going through this screenshot, right, I was actually laughing, because there's no way Facebook is going to be paying you because you have 1,000 followers or 10,000 followers or those. Anything monetization is supposed to have criteria that you need to reach for you to be able to be monetized, all right? Or maybe they will have like something like invitation, maybe like your content is doing well, they invite you. Like, just check out like YouTube. You need to reach like 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for you to be able to be monetized, right? And if you look at TikTok, you need to have like 10,000 followers and 100,000 views for the last 30 days. And the same Facebook as well, when you look at their in-stream ad, right, you need to reach like 5,000 followers and 60,000 watch minutes. So all these things are the criteria that you need to reach for you to be actually able to monetize. So there's no way Facebook will just come and say, I want to monetize you because you just have 10,000 followers. Come and collect this money. So I just believe that those people that publish all those things, they are looking for followers, like that kind of the follow for follow stuff. When you look at that post very well, you see that according to the person that published the post, the person was like, let's follow each other. That's just what I understand about that post, right? So the only thing I can actually say to all creators in Nigeria is to actually have patience, because there is still time. This month is fresh. We just need to wait and see if there is anything Facebook actually want to do for us. And after this month, if there is no update, then we now know that finally Facebook have disappointed us, right? So if you are a content creator in Nigeria, just focus and keep creating content. And actually, I will encourage you not to depend on only Facebook, right? You don't even know the platform that will actually give you money. TikTok is now monetizing. You can create international TikTok accounts and start creating content, and you make money from your content, right? I already made video on that. You can check out the video in my channel, right? And also YouTube is there. So any content you are putting out on Facebook, put it out on YouTube, put it out on TikTok, and you'll be able to make money as we are waiting for Facebook to actually monetize us. In as much as Facebook monetization is not even eligible in Nigeria, we still make money from that same Facebook, because when you reach the criteria, you give somebody abroad to help you monetize. But I know the stress of sending videos to people to publish and all those things is hard, right? I understand everything, but I still want you guys to stay calm and don't lose hope. There is possibility that Facebook is still going to be monetizing us. So let's just keep waiting and hoping. All hope is not yet lost, right? Today is 2nd June and we still have a lot of time in this month. They said they're going to be monetizing us June 2024. They didn't say the date they're going to be monetizing us, so we still have time to wait, guys. So that's it. Because of the way people were chatting me and asking me all these questions, so I decided to make this video actually to let you guys know that there's still hope, right? Let's just wait. So this is where I'm going to be bringing this video to an end. If you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment, right? And don't forget to create more content, right? Create content, keep building your page. There is hope. And also don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and also know what is going around. And if you're new in this channel, I will urge you to subscribe and hit the notification button, because in this channel we post amazing videos every day and you cannot afford to miss them. And before you go, you can also click on the thanks button under this video, right, and support your boy, right? Thank you all for watching this video from beginning to here. I really appreciate you all, and see you in my next video.